we can improve our knowledge, because knowledge is everyone. And in this video we're going to talk about the asthma disease, because in the yoga we can heal the asthma by natural way. We need to do something very useful techniques in our lifestyle so we can change a little bit and you can improve your knowledge. So this video going to improve your knowledge about the asthma disease. In case if you have someone that you know that maybe have a asthma disease, so this video can helpful for them and it will also improve your life knowledge. So let's begin the slide, and you can see in the slide what is asthma. It is a respiratory disease. Respiratory means in our lungs we have a respiratory system, and this lungs problems can create the problem to breathe in and breathe out. So it is very important to know about this disease because it is very important to improve our knowledge. It is a chronic disease. Chronic is mean long-term disease. It's not going to be finished in very quickly, but it can heal, recover 100%. It's important. And it is a reversible lungs disease. Reversible, it's mean can heal it, and it's affect the airways in our lungs. The airways is a pipe that air goes inside in our system, respiratory system. So we breathe in. So when you breathe in, the air, the oxygen, bacteria, everything in your environment is breathed in, going inside. So there is not only oxygen 100%, there are all type of gas, all type of air, good and the bad, everything is bacteria also is there. We can say the dust or any kind of small particle that we cannot see, but it is exist in the air. That's we call the air goes inside in our lungs and it comes out. That is the respiratory system. We're gonna learn more detail about in our course, but here in this video is improve your knowledge first. Asthma is a kapha dosha disease. Kapha is mean improve the kapha, and in the yoga and Ayurveda we always work to balance the three dosha, vata, pitta and kapha. So we have vata, pitta, kapha, then how we can improve this balance in the kapha dosha, that we can learn. And you can see respiratory system is very important, and asthma is not a one stage problem. It is a 3-stage problems. So first stage is like a normal stage, like you, me, everyone, and the second stage our windpipe is getting small, so normal size and the small size, so air cannot flow properly because of the mucus and because of the muscles, they are tight. And there are two type of asthma normally, allergic and non-allergic. Allergic asthma, it's work with everything that you can get allergy. Maybe you can have the allergy from the weather, maybe you can have the allergy from the food, or allergy from the smell, or allergy from the dust. It can be any allergy. And non-allergic, it can be from the weather, it can be from the things that is gonna affect on your immune system, that effect maybe is from the genetic. Yeah, it can be anything. A reason of asthma, mainly reason to get the asthma disease is because of lifestyle, number one, and the second is environmental, or we can also the genital factors. We can have the genital also, we can get this disease in our DNA. But however, if anyone has an asthma disease, first stage or the second stage, still have no attack about the asthma, but still we have problem to breathe sometime, mostly is a night time. And the asthma disease, it's happen from the age 10 until age 30. This is a common age standard that asthma disease can happen. But remember, if you are more than 30 years old, still it can happen. It's not a big deal. But age 10 until age 30, that is the maximum we get the cases in the hospital reports now. Okay, yoga can heal asthma. What is the slide? Normally in the yoga that we practice for asthma disease, we improve our micro exercise practice we learn the micro exercise. So every day minimum 15 minutes you must do micro exercise, and micro exercise with the breath awareness that we learn in our 200-hour online yoga teacher training course. The same method, one breath, one movement. You can follow this method now, and you can also improve this this way your joint flexibility, and your improve the oxygen level in your body. That is very recommended. And after micro exercise we do the pranayama practice. Mainly we do the pranayama practice, and also the detox. The jalaneti is a very good option too. We detox the nostrils, we detox the stomach, we detox our large intestine, enema. And the pranayama, we do pranayama slowly, step by step. We don't do faster. In case, for example, we do the Kapalabhati pranayama 5 to 15 minutes, but in case any time we feel tired, because we are doing pranayama, we are doing exercise, micro exercise, so in case if you feel tired, take a rest. Step by step, little by little we need to practice. Take time. If you're tired, take a rest. While you're resting, focusing on your mindfulness. So breathe in and observe your breath is going inside the lungs, and breathe out. And when you breathe out, you try to feel like you are improving good health. So mindset is very important, not only the physical, also the mental. Yeah, so Kapalabhati, when we don't do faster Kapalabhati as we study in the school or in the yoga studio. No, we do Kapalabhati very slow. Just focus, breathe out, and let your breath relax for 3 to 5 seconds. So that is a Kapalabhati technique for asthma disease, or for anything. Is we call the beginners practice na. Kapalabhati pranayama is good. If you don't know Kapalabhati pranayama or the micro exercise, don't worry, you can see the description, or you can see my YouTube channel na, same name, Sonu Singh. You can search same name, or you can search the URL Yogi Sonu Sri. You can see over here. So it's very nice to check my videos, so you can improve your micro exercise. You can find the pranayama and all the techniques. Nadi Shodhan is very good pranayama also, and Uddiyana Bandha is very important, because the all techniques that you are seeing in the screen, it is work with our immune and also release the kapha disease. So in case if you are working to improvement your health, you can improve and you can help yourself first. In case if you can heal yourself, if you have knowledge, you can improve. Sure, you can improve, you can help the people. If you are watching this video and you are a yoga teacher already, or you have done the yoga teacher training course, you must improve your practice more. Not only physical, also the mental, because body and the mind both need to be balanced. Body is very high flexibility, but mind is, we don't understand yoga, why we have to do pranayama, why we have to do theoretical part, why we have to do the asana step by step. You know the asana, you know many things, but important, our knowledge is our friend, and our friend never leave us. So it's important na, and you can improve yourself first, and then you can help the people around you. In case if I see someone has a asthma disease or any disease, I love to help them, give some suggestions about the lifestyle, about the yoga techniques, about the water therapy, about the so many therapy, like color therapy also can reach the people's good health. So everything is important. And whenever we are working with our understanding, it is very important to learn all the techniques. So in this 16 hours yoga therapy course, we will learn all the useful techniques, that practical techniques that we're gonna use in our life. Color therapy, water therapy, appendix, and asthma. In the asthma, we have 2-hour class. So this video is very short, and I try my best to give you just like a concept of to improve yourself. But we have more details about the asana and about the point, which point we should press where and how long we can press. So it is also work. So diabetes also is very important, and obesity, we are gain our weight, how we can lose the weight. Yes, this is also we work. Old age problems and tonsils, over here the pain, chep kho. These all techniques is very important, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you have any question related with the topic, please feel free to let me know. I will be very happy to give you my consultation and support for the education and give you my full support. So we all are the family. Keep in touch and have a good day. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Have a good day na.